Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Rashid. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell something about myself. Now I am a student of Daffodil International University Department of CSC. I have completed my ASSC in Sorpati College Academy and I completed my HSC in COP Borishal College. I am from Borishal. For my study purpose, I live in Dhaka. I have a little sister. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. I have some hobbies. My hobbies is playing cricket and travel. I want to be a computer engineer. At the same time, I want to be a lecturer in a university. My short-term goal is going to Saudi Arab to see Makkah and Medina with my parents. I have a best friend. I have also a best friend. Her name is Farzana Abdullah. He is a very good supportive person and he understood me easily. I am a straightforward person and an introvert person with a good communication issue. My birthplace is Borishal. Many noble persons were born here like Sher Bangladesh Fazlul Haq, Sufiya Kamal and Divanananda Das. Thank you for listening.